Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is a reading for Aquarians for the month of September 2020. And this month I'm doing a 4-card mind, body, soul and spirit reading for you. So this is a general reading and it will not resonate with everyone, so take whatever resonates. And I have shuffled the cards and I have laid them out, so we will just start with your reading, okay? And we will do the clarification wherever needed. So let's start. Aquarians for the month of September 2020, mind, body, soul and spirit reading. Okay, so what I'm feeling here, Aquarius, during this month, you are thinking, your mind is feeling that you are financially stable. Okay, so your brain is telling you that after a lot of struggle, maybe in some past months, this month you are feeling quite stable in your finances, and this has worked to reduce a lot of stress, mental stress, okay, on you and your family. So maybe you have finalized a deal with other professionals, or in wherever profession you're working, okay? So what I'm feeling here is that something you have finalized, which has relieved you of your financial situations, okay? So maybe in the past few months you were really struggling and you want to get into some job, or maybe you were waiting for a deal to occur, or maybe you were waiting for an exam to occur, okay? Or maybe for some of you it can be an interview or whatever it is. So that thing has happened, and it has happened with a great fruit and results, which I'm seeing it here. So, and that fruit has really lift you up mentally and financially, and you are feeling that now this is the time to relax and lose your ends, okay? So mentally you are feeling financially stable, confident that you can take care of your expenses, your family. So in your brain there are happy hormones this month, okay? So let's move on to the next card, which is your body. So what I'm feeling here is that mentally you are very strong this time. You're feeling quite confident, okay? And physically it is the same. Physically you are feeling like you are king of spades, okay, the warrior. So you're feeling like you can take care of anything. You have that real great physical strength. Or maybe some of you are not that physically strong, but because of this mental strength, because of this new mental energy, you are using that energy in manifesting this physical strength as well, okay? So there's nothing you can't manifest with the mental energy, okay? And you are manifesting this thing in your physical appearance as well. So you are feeling like, I am mentally stable, I am confident, I am now financially equipped, so now I need to focus on my physical appearance, okay? So now you're focusing on yourself. How are you looking, your body strength, your muscles, okay? Everything. You're taking care of yourself like a king, and you want that wisdom, that strength, okay? And that overall personality. So let's move on to the next energy, which is your soul energy. So what I'm feeling here is that something from your soul, a burden you were carrying over yourself, we don't know, but we carry a lot of past issues with ourselves, with our soul, and without being aware of that. Okay, so that what the same thing you were doing, Aquarians, for a quite long time. You were carrying some sort of issue, some sort of burden, some sort of uh, baggage, emotional baggage over your soul. So what I'm feeling here is, because of so much positive energy, positive mental and physical energy, you have decided, your soul have decided to leave the baggage, to leave that emotional baggage, that grudge you may be holding for someone, that regret of getting into some bad relationships, okay, that regret and guilt of having made some bad decisions in the past. So you were carrying all those things with you at present. And what I'm feeling here is that at this month, at this point, okay, you are deciding to leave this baggage here only, and you are not carrying it further anymore with you. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that there is a replenishing energy in your soul this month. You're ending something here, okay, and you're starting with a new energy, and this new energy can be brought by a new person in your life, a new soulmate. Okay, so for some it can be the entry of a new soulmate in your energy, in your life, okay, which is helping you in this path and is motivating you to leave that baggage here, and you deserve something better. So just free yourself and enjoy life as it comes. Okay, don't criticize yourself and your soul much of your bad decisions made in the past, of the mistakes which you haven't done and someone else has done with you. Don't mistreat yourself for trusting someone. Don't punish yourself, your soul, for seeing good in not so good people. Okay, so this is a time that you have to decide to leave everything which was not serving you in the past, and you were just carrying it for the sake of punishing yourself. Okay, and you are ending it here, and a new energy is beginning with this end. Okay, so I see a really beautiful blend of energies, okay, at different levels, mental, physical, and soul. So it's a really beautiful reading for you, Aquarian, this month, September 2020. So let's see what the spirit is guiding you in this month. So the spirit message for you is Seven of Spades, which is the card of certainty. So the spirit is saying you that this is certain. Okay, so when this card comes in a reading, this means this card certify the reading to be true 100%. Okay, but it is a general reading, so it may not be true for all, but with whosoever it is resonating, for them it is true. Okay, so, and what this card also is telling you, that you are moving in a right direction, because the card is certainty. So you are moving in the right direction. It was just a matter of time. Okay, and the good point was that you didn't stop and you kept on moving, and that's why you are here at this point, where you are enjoying the fruits of your optimism, of your patience, of your perseverance. Okay, because you didn't stop and you kept on moving, and that's why here you are at equilibrium, in balance of all your energies. Okay, so the spirit is guiding you that you have potential to decide the right path for yourself. Okay, you have, because here they are showing you that you moved in the right path, and that's why you are enjoying the mental peace, physical strength, personality, a good personality, and a new refreshing soul energy. Okay, you deserve all this, you deserved all this always, but maybe because of some wrong decisions, it was delayed, but now it is moving in the right direction, and they are certifying it with you. Okay, so you don't doubt your decisions yourself, because whatever you decide for yourself, it is right. So move confidently in the right direction, Aquarius, for the month of September 2020. So it's a wonderful reading for you guys. I hope you enjoyed your reading, and feel free to comment whatever you're feeling right now with this reading. Okay, and I will end it here. I hope you enjoyed your reading and take the necessary guidance which is given in this, and stay positive, optimistic, move in the direction you're moving, and take care of your health and everyone else. So goodbye guys, take care, love you.